Okay, so this is going to be my last example about the Raphson method. So let's start with the function, as we always do. So f of x this time is going to be x squared minus x minus 2 equal to 0. So let's write the formula because it helps you memorize it. You should know it by now yourself. But anyway, I suggest you to write it anyway because it helps you memorize it, and it also keeps things clean and understandable by not just you but your older self if you're gonna go back to it and look at it in the future, and to everybody else who is gonna be reading it for any given reason. So for the Newton-Raphson method, we have xn plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn over f prime of xn. So first thing first, let's rewrite our function. Our function is x squared minus x minus 2. We take the first derivative, so 2x minus 1, and 2 goes to 0. And our starting point, x0, in this very case is going to be 3. So x0 is going to be 3. So let's try to find x1. So x1 is actually going to be, well, we follow the formula. So xn, so the very first value, the last value for x, which is the very first one, so 3. Whoops, there we go. So 3 minus the value of 3 plugged into the first the function, so the function itself. So basically we got 3 squared minus 3 minus 2 over the value of 3 plugged into the first derivative, so 2 times 3 minus 1. And if we compute this, we get 3 minus 9 minus 3 minus 2 over 6 minus 1, which gives us 3 minus 4 over 5, which is actually 5, 15 minus 4, so 11 over 5. So I'm going to take it as a fraction, I'm not going to simplify it. If we go and we try to find x2, and then I'm going to approximate it. So if we try to find x2, we basically say, okay, let's use the last value of x, so 11 over 5, minus, and we're going to subtract the value of 11 over 5 plugged into the function, so 11 over 5 squared minus 11 over 5 minus 2 over the value of 11 over 5 plugged into the first derivative. So 2 times 11 over 5 minus 1, which gives us 11 over 5 minus 121 over 25 minus 11 over 5 minus 2. And then we have 22 over 5 minus 1, which is 11 over 5 minus, minus, I'm going to go with 25, which gives me 121 minus 55 minus 50. And here I'm going to go with 5, so I get 22 minus 5. So this is 11 over 5 is always hanging along for the right, minus 16 over 25 over 17 over 5. So at this point, yeah, I'm just gonna approximate everything because I'm lazy. So 2.2 minus 0.64 over 3.4, so 2.2 minus 0.18, and therefore I get 2.02. There we go. So this was the very last example about the Newton-Raphson method. I made quite a few examples by now, and I explained the method in the very first video, like what could go wrong and so on. So I think this is enough. Like this is like all you need to know about this method and in order to compute it. So I hope it helps. As always, bye.